As our time at the marina comes to a close, we had to get a few last-minute items, as well as take Maggie to the vet. Being home here with my girls has been great to spend more time with them and making memories together as a family. However, what we are most thankful for are the people in our lives. I thank God every day for the people. From family and friends that are distant from us, to the ones whom we meet along the way, we are truly thankful for each and every one of you, and we know how blessed we are to have you in our lives. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and enjoy. Where are we going? We are about to go to the dog beach, and we're gonna let Maggie run around at the Sunset Beach Dog Park.
I want to go at the park with them.
Yeah. Well,
I like going down slides tonight too.
yeah, we're gonna go down there right now. So we're about to head down there, and right now we're at red light. So yeah.
Yeah, we're at red light.
What does red light mean?
Stop.
Stop. What does green light mean?
Go.
What does yellow mean?
Slow down.
What does purple mean?
What does purple mean?
You told me yesterday that purple means go fast.
Purple means the fast.
All right, we're here. We're at the dog.
Let's go over the bridge.
You gonna take your shoes off, Lola? Where are we going?
At the playground.
I guess that was fun. Maggie got some zoomies out, and so did Lola. So we're about to go to the playground or find something to do.
Playground.
Playground, all right. Go see Maggie. She's wet. Yeah. Kick him out. You gonna swing with us? Huh? What?
Hi.
Here, and just look straight at it right here and then talk.
Hi.
Talk to it.
Hi, my CD's on the table.
Can you tell them your name?
Lola. Lola.
You want to tell them how old you are?
3.
Lola, what's your favorite number?
8.
Who do you like better, me or mommy?
You.
Who do you like? What's your doggy's name?
Maggie.
What kind of dog is she?
Brown and white.
Black and white?
Black and white.
Black and white. Does she what color? Oh, you filming me now? Alright, ask me anything. Ask me questions.
Ask him questions.
What do you want to ask me?
Ask him what's your name.
My name is Chris.
What number?
What's my favorite number? I like the number 8.
No, I ate.
Okay. I like the number
2.
11.
The 2.
Okay, what else?
Now, what do your doggy eat?
What does my doggy eat?
Yeah.
My doggy eats Sam's Club dog food. It's
No.
really good though. It's with salmon and rice and it's like no GMOs and it's gluten free.
It's not gluten free.
What else, Lola?
Before we left the marina, we got to explore St. Petersburg as a family and all of its history. Red, and leave all the dough out. And then we'll...
Is that a good?
Bring anything or just drive home? Authenticity, the radiology determined the woman was a female, her around 26 years old.
She's small. 26.
Including Arthur Meyer, his peak in 1948.
Then he talks about where'd you go, Joe DiMaggio. He was
So I'm sitting here looking for this miscellaneous section that Dennis said that they had here because I sent him an autographed baseball from me, and he called me and told me that he was going to put it in here in the miscellaneous section. There's no miscellaneous section. It's really neat here. Like there's a lot of history of, there's a story behind every baseball. So while Jamie and the kids are at home during the week or the weekend, I come here and I do laundry because it gives me time to video edit, gives me a chance to focus, and it's almost a little therapeutic sometimes.
Go out there by yourself then.
Stay in here, Lola. It's been nice and windy today. A tropical storm is blowing across Florida, Ernesto. One thing that it did is it blew up a lot of trash. And so a lot of it has washed up on shore. So the good thing about that is we're able to actually reach it so we can clean it up. Although it's not really a lot, it's some, and that's one thing we want to do is be more part of the solution than the problem. I think it takes, gosh, I don't even know how long it takes for one piece of plastic to deteriorate, and that's one thing that we definitely want to do is keep our ocean clean. I think if at the rate that we're going, if we don't do something about all the plastic in the ocean, there will be more plastic in the ocean by weight than there is fish. And we don't want to see that happen. So we're going to clean up a little bit and pick some up. There's plastic everywhere right there. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Definitely if you're ever in St. Petersburg, check out all the museums and stuff that they have there. There's a lot of fun things to do, especially if you have kids. Of course, if you don't have kids, there's plenty of stuff to do, obviously, as well. Just to let you know, we are Amazon affiliates, and so it being Cyber Monday today, I did want to let you know that. I'll actually leave a link in the description That way, if you are shopping today, I know it's already pretty late, but if you haven't made your last minute shops, or for the future reference, I will actually put a link of what we use. For instance, the GoPro Hero 7 Black that I'm filming with right now. You can buy one of those on Amazon right now for pretty cheap since the Hero 8 is out. So I'll put a description, both of those in there, just for your last minute, your Christmas shopping, your last minute Cyber Monday deals. Thank you guys so much. Again, if you do use our link, just click it, and it does not have to be that exact item, so you can actually click our link to bring you to Amazon and shop away, and we'll get pennies here and there for the money you spend. Thanks you guys again so much. Hope you like this video, and we'll see you next time.